What a phenomenal day this has been yet again. Oh my goodness. Day 2 was off the charts. What did you guys learn? Definitely do share. I am so interested to hear what you loved about day 2. Day 2 was all about social media marketing. It was all about ways in which we use all the different platforms that are available to us today to make a difference for our audience, reach out, help support them, and provide the amazing products and services that we deliver to them. So super stoked to finally have come to the end of day 2. Now, for those of you who have purchased your All Access Pass, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are making a difference for those women who are coming out of domestic violence, and you're helping to support them as they go through what might be the most dangerous part of their life, which is leaving the situation and putting themselves in a position to get themselves and the lives of their children and everybody back on their feet so that they can thrive. So thank you. For those of you who have not yet grabbed that, there is still time. And even if you don't want the All Access Pass, but you still want to help, there are several opportunities where you can donate to assist. 50% of all the proceeds from every All Access Pass and 100% of the donations are all going to the AWISH Academy so that we can build this space and help those women coming out of domestic violence to get back on their feet faster with those marketable skills and those soft skills that they are going to need in order to get back on their feet. Now, tomorrow is on the way, and inside tomorrow's sessions, we are going to learn all about, tomorrow is our bank up session, we're going to learn all about ways in which you can utilize the systems that our speakers are using to get those fast cash infusions and hit that next revenue goal. So I'm super stoked about that. Watch for the email. If you have not already added us inside your Safe Senders list, do that now. Do not wait. I don't want this email that's going to go out in a bit ending up in your spam folder. You definitely do not want to miss day 3. I'm so excited. For those of you who have been wondering where in the world I'm at, Facebook has graciously put me in Facebook jail. Clearly, I am reaching out to too many of you at a time, and I'm not sure when they're lifting that. So I'm going to keep trying, and hopefully they will let me out pretty soon. If you have any questions, please direct message me or send me an email so I can get those answered and help support you as you go through the entire 5-day summit. Okay, guys, we will see you tomorrow. I'm super stoked, bright and early. Bye, everyone.